if you're experiencing approval delays on Venmo, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to help expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure your Venmo account is in good standing. Log into your account and verify that there are no outstanding issues or restrictions that could be causing delays. Step 2. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any identity verification processes. Venmo may require additional information to confirm your identity, which can help speed up approval times. Step 3. Review transaction details. Double-check the details of the transaction you are waiting to be approved. Ensure that all information is accurate, including recipient details and payment amounts, as errors can lead to delays. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for processing. After taking the necessary steps, be patient as Venmo processes your request. Approval times can vary, but keeping your account in good standing and following up with support can help expedite the process. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Venmo and ensure smoother transactions in the future.